What up, guys? This is my first upload to YouTube for a long time. The reason for this upload, if you can, I think you've read the title already, is I'm getting myself into a challenge that I think is going to really help reshape my lifestyle and some habits that I've had. And the big name is social media. But with this, yeah. See a lot of change in my desire and my habits, and a lot of change in my lifestyle in a positive way. And so far, I found that I have so much free time, 9 hours extra of free time.
Ha! Gay!
Not having my phone. And I've done so much. I've been cleaning a lot, I've been reading a lot, I've been just doing things that fill my soul, and I feel a lot. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy the next 27 days of this journey, and hopefully I see and you see a lot of difference in me in a good way for doing this. So I will see you guys, and maybe I'll even drop my phone number so you guys can help me out. But I can't promise I'll text back right away because it's pretty hard to text on these things, even with the predictive text setting. So, all right, I'll see you guys later. Enjoy this. This is now day 5. I don't really record a whole lot, not every single day, but I don't think I need to. I feel like if I get most of my days recorded, that's gonna be a good enough assessment of how this has affected me. So at the end of most days, I'm here in my lovely gym, which is where a lot of the actual talking is gonna be happening, because I get a lot of peace and quiet here. And I enjoy that, so it's nice. But today, I came after work. So I work at McDonald's, and I was doing a closing shift tonight, so it's about 11:30 at night. And, most of the time I really wouldn't want to be up that late. But again, the peace and quiet is really nice. And so far, I've been doing pretty good with this bad boy. And I've actually had a few really entertaining incidents with this thing, because people seem to really like that someone's using a flip phone unironically. So yeah, I kind of like that. I think it's cool. So yeah, maybe I'll do a little lifting montage or something. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it's day 5 now, day 4, day 5, not sure what I said. But really, it's just been a lot of lifting weights. Yeah, I do that quite a bit, but that's just because that's something that I enjoy. A lot of reading. And don't know, I've just been doing a lot of things that I enjoy. So no screen time. I mean, there's sometimes I play some games on that phone. It's pretty fun to play Tank Destroyers. Hobbies that I kind of missed out on, and pretty soon I think I'm going to start practicing the old saxophone a little bit more, because I know that's one of my really big hobbies that I kind of left in the dust. So hopefully you guys can see some of those in a little bit. So yeah, let me get this workout in.